How to modify database user privileges in DirectAdmin. We assume you have already logged into your DirectAdmin account. In the Account Manager section, click MySQL Management. In this MySQL Management, you can create new databases or manage existing ones. Here it shows the existing databases. Just click the database you wish to modify. Click the Modify Privileges link for this user. This is where you can limit certain types of access for specific users. Although you will typically never have to make changes in these settings, click to uncheck the box to limit any number of privileges to the user. Now click Save to update the changes we have made. That's it. We have successfully modified the privileges for the user. Thank you for watching.